क्लिक करो.
Hi, welcome back to Life Connect. Uh, Hope you all are safe at home and getting ready to come out of the lockdown very soon, hopefully. But till then, we are here to teach you some new cuisine today. We are trying some Mexican dishes. And to start with, okay, let me tell you what we are doing today. We are doing pelati potato, Mexican burrito, and Mexican rice. So let's start with pelati potato. And so where is this dish from? It's not Mexican, right? This one. Is it Mexican? Okay. So let's see. Chef is here to guide us through. Very easy to make, and we'll have these items as a family pack from this Sunday. We'll send all the WhatsApp and details to you very soon. And let's start the session. Hope you enjoy it.
पोटैटो लेंगे, उसको ऐसे स्किन आउट करेंगे पहले. थोड़ा पोटैटो टच रहना चाहिए उसमें.
So
हाफ बॉयल करना पड़ेगा.
So we have to peel the potatoes, and the idea of potato pelati is pelati means the skin of the potato. It's a Spanish Italian fusion dish. So we peel the skin and boil the skin, half boil, parboil for a couple of minutes. Say for 3 minutes is more well and good. And then we add some tapioca flour to it.
कॉर्नफ्लावर, सॉल्ट पेपर,
Chili flakes.
लेमन जूस.
Some basic ingredient is we can use you can use some chipotle powder if you have chipotle seasoning. Very easy. So basically, when you're peeling your potato, this is a extra dish which you can make out of it.
नेक्स्ट फ्राई.
Yeah. So now we deep fry it. So when you make some aloo paratha or any aloo dish at your home, when you peel the skin, if you peel it little bit more with potatoes, and you can use the same potato skin for this dish. It's a very nice and quick starter. टिश्यू चाहिए. You need to give it a little time so that it turns out really crispy.
Brown color.
And turns out to of golden brown color. You can see it's nice and golden brown. So while this is getting ready for plating, let's see the burrito. Stand the burrito. We'll do the Mexican rice, no?
Burrito. And it's ready. Coriander. Coriander.
So we garnish it with coriander,
Salt, pepper.
salt, pepper.
Little bit black pepper. Love this. And mix it.
And we are serving it with some peri peri cheese dip. You can see. Yeah. So now we will start with our burrito. Yes.
Burrito.
So for burrito we are using our multigrain tortilla. If you are willing to make it at home, we have the multigrain tortilla, so you can buy it from us. And this is the iceberg lettuce, so that makes the burrito really crunchy. and fresh. And this is the bean sauce which we have made with Jammu Rajma. So we don't get the black beans which we get it in for American Mexican Tex-Mex food. So this is a Jammu Rajma. Along with that, we are made with some cumin, coriander, and tomato sauce. Yeah. And just spread it little enough inside. And
some sweet corn and black pepper mix.
so this is the corn rice made with brown rice, organic brown rice, which is also available with Soul Garden, which you can buy it for you from us. And it's corn and just butter and salt, pepper. That goes inside the burrito filling.
Salsa.
And salsa. The salsa is made with chopped tomatoes, tomato sauce, jalapeno, chili powder, and cumin. And for definitely Mexican food, we use coriander everywhere, cilantro,
Nachos.
and some crispy fried nachos cut into triangles, so that goes inside broken few pieces. Adds more crunchy to your
Coriander.
and definitely jalapeno. If you wish to make it more spicy, you can add more spicier peppers like chipotle
Coriander.
and cilantro. Not a lot of cilantro.
Cheese sauce.
And the cheese sauce. Cheese sauce. And now we close it. More sauce नहीं डाला है ना?
Sorry.
Sauce
Also mix.
ऊपर चिपकाने के लिए. So this is a trick where you have to apply some cheese sauce on both the sides. And here is your professional restaurant style burrito. So fine dining class. There you go. And some queso sauce. It's again a cheese sauce, cheddar cheese sauce. There you go. So now we are starting up with our Mexican rice. Mexican rice के लिए क्या क्या है?
Brown rice.
We are using some organic brown rice, some corn, and beans, the rajma,
Tomato sauce.
Jammu rajma, which I told you, which is smaller in size, and some tomato sauce,
Just
sliced
Cabbage.
onion, cabbage, and some bell pepper. And definitely we are using garlic, chilies, jalapenos, coriander, chili flakes,
turmeric powder and jeera powder.
turmeric, and jeera. garlic. So we
Green
have
chili.
add some garlic. So now we are adding some
Green
green
chili.
chili to it, and the sliced onions. So let the onion cook for a minute. Now we are adding some tricolor bell pepper
Cabbage.
and cabbage, and we don't let them cook for too long. Yeah, smells good now. Now we are adding some salt. Now we are adding the boiled rajma. So definitely without beans it's not a Mexican rice. And add the corn.
How many powder?
Little bit of turmeric,
Jeera powder.
jeera,
Little bit black pepper.
black pepper, salt, jalapeno.
Sauce.
Now we add the sauce to it. And since you added the turmeric, you need to let it cook for a while.
Brown rice.
Then we are now adding the brown rice. It's an organic brown rice. You can see the brown texture in it. It's particular kind called kulakar, which is rich in antioxidants and also rich in starch.
Coriander added.
Yeah. So we are adding some cilantro to it. More the cilantro, more it tastes better. Yeah. Good to go.
Now choose.
And we garnish it with some nachos. Which works as a best crisp for your Mexican rice. There you go. So here is your 3 dishes: the Mexican rice, Mexican bean burrito with queso sauce, and pellet potato with peri peri dip. Go. So, spoon fork. So, sir, can we have you back here to try the dishes? Late.
Yep.
Sir, करो करो.
These are the crispy
Potato pilati
potato pelati.
and some peri peri cheese. With some Mexican rice with Mexican bean rice.
Nice flavor. Smells really good. And burrito. Can somebody just cut this?
काट के लो.
Just want to try. Very simple dish. Crispy, crunchy, and flavorful,
Not wasting it.
and very easy to make at home. And this is a healthy version of our Mexican rice made with our organic brown rice, which we get from the farmers directly.
Mexican rice are basically balanced with protein because of the beans added to it. It's a balanced diet.
Do order this week, and I hope you enjoyed the session. We'll see you soon again next week. Thanks for watching, and
We had to try the burrito, sir.
yeah.
We have our own Mexican range of enchiladas, burritos, Mexican rice, nachos, quesadilla, and we also have an option of keto quesadilla. which you all that you can order from Swiggy
And Zomato as well.
and Zomato
And
as well.
You can just WhatsApp us directly and we'll send it across. And we are soon opening our own market where you can order all these products which you don't have at home. Since we get institutional packs, we can give you smaller packs which you can make it at home, try it out. So you don't have to buy 1 kilo or 2 kilos of institutional packs of all these ingredients.
Honest for them, burrito.
Very interesting, very different because of the multigrain tortilla. Very flavorful, creamy, wholesome. Do order us next week and we'll see you. Keep watching. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, Rajesh.